sweetie. Are you eating your dinner? Let's go over here and look at it. Let's come look at your dinner. Come here. Let's come look at your dinner. Yeah, you're eating some. You're a sweet girl. Oh, you're doing good. Yeah, you're doing good. Looky here. Looky there. Yeah. You tell everyone hi. Tell them you had a good afternoon. You slept and hung out. Thanks, Lily. Hi, honey. How are you doing? Looks like some good dinner. All right, you better eat. Then I'll have you come back outside.